Okay, so if you're new here, hi, I'm Robin from Robin O'Brien Photography, and today we're going to be looking at quite literally how you can make the most simplest product photo out there. Okay, so there are many different e-commerce platforms that require product to be on a simple white background. Now, there are three fundamental ways that you can do this depending on your needs of your product, but two of them are the easiest. Okay, so we're going to just literally get straight into this. If you need to do literally know how to create a product photography on a white background, there are three simple steps to do this. One is that you use some kind of paper or card and you create a sweep just like this, and we'll be going into exactly how to do this. All you need is a piece of paper and you need to bend it, and you need to put your product on it, and then you take the photo. Okay, you can't get much easier than this. The real big trick to this and the pro tip is to make sure that you have your lighting right. All light takes colour with it. It travels with the colour that it bounces off. And therefore it's really important that to look at the source and the surroundings to make sure that you don't get colour casting. Obviously, these can be fixed in edit. It can fix by having a simple artificial light. It can be fixed in a multitude of different ways, okay? Remember, if you want to learn how to control lighting, then realistically, you're going to need to understand the fundamentals of this. So make sure you check out that first. The second simple way to do it is to just quite literally have some white fabric, okay? Place white fabric over something and place your object on the top. You can do it as simple as a white t-shirt, a pillowcase, you name it, it's as simple as it can be. And then finally, and probably the most simplest way to do this, is a little bit of editing, which can so easily be done in Canva. Okay, don't underestimate the power of Canva when it comes to this. Literally take a photo on a desk or a piece on a card or on a sofa or wherever it is, as long as you've got reasonable lighting on it. Whack it into Canva, remove the background, and there you go. Okay, don't overcomplicate this. Don't make this into this or singing or dancing thing that you think you need to do. You don't need a light box. You do not need to spend an absolute fortune on creating these tents or anything like that. This is a very simple process that can be achieved at home. Okay, if you have any questions on how to do this any further, then obviously drop them in the comments below. If you like this and want to be involved in the process of other product photography or food photography, make sure you hit the subscribe button, because we are here every single week and we would love to have you. Have a great day.